Replacing old windows is one of the most significant home improvement projects you can undertake in New Orleans. Not only can new windows improve the aesthetic appeal of your home, but they can also increase energy efficiency, provide better insulation against the humidity, and enhance security. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about replacing old windows in the Crescent City, from understanding your options to choosing the right windows for your home. Why replace old windows in New Orleans? Windows play a crucial role in a home's overall comfort and efficiency. In a city like New Orleans, which experiences high humidity, frequent rainfall, and extreme heat during the summer months, outdated or poorly sealed windows can cause a variety of problems. Here's why replacing old windows should be a priority for homeowners. Energy efficiency. Older windows often lack the insulation properties of modern models, leading to higher energy costs. New windows can help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering your utility bills. Improved aesthetics. New windows can give your home a fresh, updated look, improving curb appeal and potentially raising the value of your property. Whether you're looking for something traditional to match the historic architecture of the French Quarter or a modern design, the options are endless. Increased comfort. Properly installed windows can eliminate drafts and cold spots in your home, making your indoor environment more comfortable year-round. Enhanced security and safety. Modern windows come with advanced security features, such as reinforced glass and secure locking mechanisms, offering you peace of mind and protecting your home from break-ins. Protection from the elements. Given New Orleans' frequent rain, new windows are designed to better withstand the elements, preventing water leaks and humidity from damaging your interiors. Signs it's time to replace your windows. How do you know when it's time to replace your windows? Here are some common signs. Drafts. If you feel a draft near your windows, it means your window seals may be broken or worn out, reducing energy efficiency. Condensation. If condensation is visible between the panes of glass, it's a sign that the window's seal has failed. Difficulty opening or closing. Windows that are hard to open or close could indicate structural issues or warped frames. Visible damage. Cracks, chips, or fading in the window frame can indicate that the window is no longer protecting your home properly. Rising energy bills. If you notice your heating and cooling costs increasing, your old windows may be to blame. Choosing the right windows for your New Orleans home. When selecting windows for your home, there are several factors to consider, including style, material, and functionality. New Orleans is known for its unique blend of historic homes and modern designs, so you'll want windows that complement your home's character while also offering modern performance. Window styles. Double-hung windows. Traditional in appearance and popular in older homes, double-hung windows open from both the top and bottom, providing excellent ventilation. Casement windows. These windows are hinged on the side and open outward. Casement windows offer superior ventilation and are energy efficient because they seal tightly when closed. Sliding windows. These windows slide horizontally to open and are great for areas with limited space. Bay and bow windows. These windows extend outward from the wall, offering panoramic views and creating more space inside your home. Window materials. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is a popular choice because it's affordable, low maintenance, and energy efficient. Vinyl frames won't warp, peel, or require painting. Wood windows. Wood is a classic choice for those looking to maintain the historic charm of their home. Wood windows provide excellent insulation, but they require more maintenance than other materials. Fiberglass windows. Known for their strength and durability, fiberglass windows are energy efficient and require minimal maintenance. Aluminum windows. Although not as energy efficient as vinyl or wood, aluminum windows are durable and ideal for homes in areas with mild temperatures. Energy efficiency. Look for windows that are ENERGY STAR certified. Energy-efficient windows have special coatings that help reduce heat transfer, which is especially important in New Orleans' hot, humid climate. Hurricane resistance. With New Orleans being prone to hurricanes, consider installing impact-resistant windows that can withstand strong winds and debris. These windows are designed to protect your home during storms and keep your family safe. The installation process. Replacing windows is not a DIY project for most homeowners, as it requires precision and knowledge of building codes and weatherproofing. Hiring a professional installer ensures the job is done right, with proper sealing and insulation. Here's what you can expect during the installation process. Removal of old windows. The first step is removing the old windows, which may require some dismantling of the surrounding trim. Preparation of the window frame. After the old windows are removed, the installer will inspect and prepare the window frames for the new windows. Installation of new windows. The new windows will be carefully installed, sealed, and secured. Finishing touches. After installation, the trim around the windows will be replaced or reinstalled to ensure a clean, finished look. Conclusion. Replacing old windows in your New Orleans home is an investment that pays off in comfort, efficiency, and curb appeal. By understanding your options and working with professionals, you can select the perfect windows for your home and enjoy the benefits for years to come. Whether you're looking for energy efficiency, protection from the elements, or a design that complements your home's architecture, new windows can significantly improve your living space.